Okay, so I wanted to do this. I've been starting to do some stock videos just for friends and people I know, just to hopefully help them out. Because here's the thing: I believe all men should invest. I believe all minorities should invest. I think investing is probably, in my opinion, the number one way to gain generational wealth, to gain financial freedom. So I believe everyone should invest. So, with that in mind, today is Sunday. The markets this past week were, kind of down. Which, here's the thing where everyone got to understand. Okay. Why, if you like a company, why wouldn't you want them to buy them at a discount? So let's say if you have Amazon, let's say it was at $250 per share. Now everything goes down, it's at $200. You would think, oh my God, I lost my money. I don't, I'm so upset. No, it's Amazon. Like, great, I wish it go down to 100. For me right now, I have a couple $1,000s in Amazon. I wish it goes down to under 100. I really do. I wish it would tank. I wish it would go down to under 100 so I can buy a lot more. Because you have to think, okay? If you care about the prices of stocks going up and down, it's that you care about right now. I know that if it's a good stock, it will always go up over time. It will always go up over time. So we have to have that mindset. I invest. I don't trade. Trading is like, oh, you want to buy it today at, let's say, Amazon. You want to buy it today at Amazon at $100. Tomorrow you want it at $200. You double your money. You're trading. You're gambling. But with that, you can't predict what will happen tomorrow. So you buy it today at $100. Tomorrow it might be $50. And that's the thing where that's trading. That's gambling. I try my best not to do that, okay? I mean, I've done that in the past when I was, a newbie investor, and it has kicked me in the butt a few times. So I try to invest for the long term. In the long term, I mean about 3-5 years, maybe even more. So that's how I go about it. So you have to think that what companies you're buying, and and what companies you think you're buying for how long it is, okay? So if, like, let's say a company like Amazon, I'm hoping to buy it for pretty much 5 years, 10 years, to maybe the rest of my life. So right now, whenever you see things are down, as in the market is red, if there's some instability, it's the best time to buy. It's the best time. You think that in 2008, where the market crashed, that was the worst time? Actually, that would be the best time. If you had bought, right, during those times, right now, you would have been up a lot, okay? So that's the thing where you buying it when it's low, like I said, right? Buy low, sell high. So for me right now, if you see my last video when I talk about stocks, you see my positions. I'm hoping to buy some more of these risky stocks I have. Again, that's my little bit of gambling, all right? Risky stocks, I know that, they are risky, so I can lose money on this. But I'm willing to gamble on that. But you have to know what mindset, right? I was saying don't gamble, but again, we're adults. Do what is best for you. But I also still want to buy companies that I have, like Target. I still want to buy Target. I was buying Cheesecake Factory. I buy Nike, right? Stocks that are not risk. I bought some Amazon last week. I hope it goes down to under $200. If it goes under $200, if Amazon goes under $200, I'm gonna buy more. So please watch the stock market, right? Like I said, it's a great way to invest. It's a great way to gain financial freedom, because thanks to stocks, my net worth is over 6 figures. So, try to do it.